my dollars make it hurt.
Well, here it is, guys, the EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Super XC Ultra. Try saying that fast 5 times in a row and it'll trip you out. I'm just glad I got it out. Here's the box. This is the way it comes. It's a pretty cool box. Got a little bent corner, which is kind of interesting. Doesn't really do anything for you. Let's break into this thing and see what we got. Let's see how they package it for us. So as we popped this thing open, it was a little difficult to get the cover off, but ended up coming off okay. Comes a little bit of instruction. It's in its static bag. And so we're gonna rip this guy open and take a look at the card itself. As we pull it out, we see the metal backplate, which is nice. It's got 3 DisplayPort 1.4 ports, 1 HDMI 2.0B port, and 1 USB-C port. This whole area here lights up and you can change the color to whatever you want. And you can actually overclock this graphics card with the EVGA Precision X1 software. So you download that, you install it, it's pretty simple. It's got SLI connection, it is PCI 3.0 compatible. And plenty of outputs for anybody that needs them. It's a pretty sick graphics card, and I love it. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get future updates whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.